Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I will solve the problem 1.12. So let's read the problem first. So that the various expression for the entropy of mixing derived in section 1.5 satisfy the following relation. For all N1, V1, N2 and V2, the entropy of gas mixing that will be greater or equal to 0. The equality holding when and only when N1 by V1 equal to N2 by V2. So that means entropy of gas mixing will be a positive quantity in general, and when this condition satisfies N1 by V1 equal to N2 by V2, this will become 0. So try to prove it. Go. So the expression for the change in entropy of two mixture gases at initial temperature T. So this is the expression. You can find it also in section 1.5. I have attached the equation here. Here you can see the equation. So basically here I will use that equation, and from here we will derive the desired results. Okay. So here Kb is the Boltzmann constant, N1 is the number of particles in gas 1, N2 is the number of particles in gas 2, V1 is the volume, the container volume 1, and V2 is container volume 2. Now assume N1, N2 and V1 are fixed and V2 can vary on. So actually we have to vary some quantities to see the first derivative and second derivative, and from that we have to assume the result, that is maxima or minima. So here I am varying V2. You can also vary V1 if you want. You will obtain the same result. So I have taken the first derivative of entropy of gas mixing, taken N1, N2 and V1 fixed. So after solving, you will get this type of simplification. Then we are doing the second derivative and we obtain this. So for extrema case, equation 2, that has to be 0. Then we are solving by taking right hand side 0. Then when you are solved, you will get this equation, and after some step of simplification, basically you will obtain that N1 by V1 equal to N2 by V2. So this is basically the number density. So let's take it as N, and from here we can write as if N is N1 by V1 equal to N2 by V2. So we can write also N is N1 plus N2 by V1 plus V2. We will apply it in the second derivative. So that we can check the second derivative is maximum or minimum from the sign. So here we will put the values. After simplification, you will get that. So here you can see all quantities are positive. Kb Boltzmann constant, that cannot be negative. Volume has to be positive and number density has to be positive. So the second derivative is a positive quantity. That means when N1 by V1 equal to N2 by V2, this will be minimum point for entropy of gas mixing. So the equality holds only here. So here we showed that for all values, in general, this will be the equation, and entropy of gas mixing has to be positive. Only when N1 by Vn equal to N2 by V2, then the entropy of gas mixing will be 0. I think it's clear for everyone right now. If you have any queries, you can comment me. Thank you.